पूनम और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे डेस्टिनेशन के बारे में जो हर ट्रैवलर के बकेट लिस्ट में जरूर होता है। यस, अ पैराडाइज ऑन अर्थ, बाली। बट बिफोर दैट, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड रिंग द बेल आइकन सो यू नेवर मिस आउट ऑन आवर लेटेस्ट ट्रैवल अपडेट्स। Dreaming of relaxing on stunning beaches, exploring vibrant markets, or soaking in the rich culture, Bali has something for everyone. So fasten your seatbelts as we take you on the ultimate journey to the island of gods. बाली एक मैजिकल पैराडाइज है जो साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में इंडोनेशिया का एक हिस्सा है। ये अपने खूबसूरत बीचेस, वाइब्रेंट नाइट लाइफ और रिच कल्चर के लिए जाना जाता है। Imagine waking up to the sound of waves, surrounded by lush green landscapes and the aroma of exotic spices floating in the air. Sounds like a dream, right? तो चाहे आप एडवेंचर के शौकीन हो या रिलैक्सेशन के या फिर कुछ कल्चरल एक्सपीरियंस चाहते हो, Bali is a perfect blend of all three. The island's time is 8 hours ahead of GMT, which means Bali is 2 hours and 30 minutes ahead of India. वैसे तो यहाँ का लोकल लैंग्वेज इंडोनेशियन है, but don't worry, English is also widely spoken in all tourist areas. The currency here is Indonesian rupiah, IDR, and the best time to visit is from April to October when the season is dry, sunny and most beautiful. Now let's talk about getting there. Bali आपको दिल्ली, मुंबई और बैंगलोर जैसे मेजर सिटीज से easily accessible है, and round trip flight for two will cost you around 40 to 42,000 depending on when you book and the airline you choose. Popular airline options include Garuda Indonesia, Singapore Airlines and AirAsia, with most flights having layovers in Singapore or Kuala Lumpur. And you will land at Ngurah Rai International Airport in Denpasar, which is the main gateway to Bali. Now once you are here, it's time to pick your home away from home. And trust me, Bali's got accommodations to suit every budget and style. आप budget friendly stays से लेकर luxurious resorts तक कुछ भी choose कर सकते हैं. So let's break it down by region. Ubud में आपको boutique hotels, eco lodges और home stays के काफी options मिलेंगे, with prices ranging from 1,500 to 10,000 per night. And Ubud is the ultimate spot for relaxation, culture and nature. Next, if you are a party animal or shopping enthusiast or interested in surfing, then Kuta is the place to be. With options of budget hotels, hostels and beachfront resorts, prices here range from 1,500 to 8,000 per night. Moving on, if you are in a mood to splurge, head to Seminyak for luxury resorts, villas and boutique hotels. Prices here range from 8,000 to 25,000 per night. And this place is all about luxury, dining and high-end shopping. And last, if you are looking for some peace, then Nusa Dua offers high-end resorts and pristine beaches, with price ranging between 10,000 to 25,000 per night. It's like a slice of paradise, perfect for relaxation, family-friendly environment and golfing. Now before you pack your bags, let's talk visas. Indian citizens के लिए visa on arrival option available है जो कि free होता है for up to 30 days. And if you fall in love with Bali and want to stay longer, तो आप इसी वीजा को 30 days के लिए और extend करवा सकते हो. All you have to do is land at Ngurah Rai International Airport and head to the visa on arrival counters before immigration, and you are good to go. So when is the best time to visit Bali? It's recommended to go there during the dry season, जो कि अप्रैल से अक्टूबर तक होता है. ये बीच एक्टिविटीज, साइटसीइंग और कल्चरल अट्रैक्शंस एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए बेस्ट टाइम है, as there is plenty of sunshine and minimal rain, perfect for those Instagram worthy shots. But hey, if you don't mind a little bit of rain, then the wet season, which is from November to March, also has its own charm. The island at this time is lush green and far less crowded, so you might just get all those iconic spots all to yourself. Now Bali is like a treasure map, with each region offering something unique. Let's explore. First up we have Ubud, the cultural heart of Bali, जहाँ आप temples, rice terraces और artsy vibe enjoy कर सकते हैं. Visit the Ubud Monkey Forest, Tegalalang rice terraces, Ubud Palace and Art Market, and stay in boutique hotels or eco lodges for a truly authentic experience. Next, let's talk about Kuta, जो अपने नाइट लाइफ, शॉपिंग और सर्फिंग कल्चर के लिए जाना जाता है. Check out the Uta Beach, Water Bomb Bali and Beach Walk Shopping Center. And budget hotels and beachfront resorts are your best bet here. अब अगर आपको trendy और upscale वाइब चाहिए तो Seminyak is the place to be. Relax on Seminyak Beach, stroll down each street and do not miss पूरा Petit Tenger. और यहाँ luxury resorts, villas और boutique hotels में stay करना भी अपने आप में एक unique experience है. Next, let's go to Nusa Dua, a serene location with pristine beaches. Here you can relax on the Nusa Dua beach, visit the Pacifica Museum and unwind at Geiger Beach. This place offers high-end luxury resorts and beachfront hotels, which will make your stay unforgettable. And finally, Canggu, the hipster haven with laid-back vibes, surfing spots and rice fields. Do not miss the top attractions like Batu Bolong Beach, Eco Beach and Tanah Lot Temple. And stay in boutique hotels, hostels और villas for a chill experience. अब बात करते हैं बाली के कुछ must visit attractions की. First is Uluwatu Temple, located on a cliff in South Bali, जो अपने stunning ocean views और Kecap dance performance के लिए जाना जाता है, especially during the sunset. इसका entrance fee is about 200 per person and the Kecap dance is an additional 500. Next are the picture perfect green terraces in Ubud, the Tegalalang rice terraces, ideal for photography and for learning about the traditional rice farming. Entrance fee is around 100 per person and the optional activities like swings are available at an extra cost. Then we have one of Bali's most iconic temples, the Tanah Lot Temple. It is set on a rock formation in the sea and is perfect for sunset views with entrance of about 150 per person. Moving on to Mount Batur in Kintamani, a popular spot for sunrise treks, जहाँ से आपको volcano और surrounding lakes के panoramic views देखने को मिलेंगे. Here, a guided trek can cost you around 2,000 per person. And don't forget the sacred Maki Forest Sanctuary in Ubud, a natural reserve and a temple complex which is home to hundreds of free roaming monkeys. Iska entrance fee is about 300 per person. But watch out, they love to steal sunglasses. Now what's a trip to Bali without some epic activities? So here are my top picks. Firstly, Bali beaches are extremely famous for surfing. So head to Kuta Beach, Uluwatu or Padang Padang Beach. Here, surfboard rentals and lessons will cost you around 1,000 to 1,500 per session. Then, if diving and snorkeling are more your style, explore the underwater wonders at Nusa Penida, Amed or Menjingan Island. Dive packages here start from approximately 3,000 per dive. और कल्चरल एक्सपीरियंस के लिए आप कल्चरल टूर ले सकते हैं, जिसमें टेम्पल विजिट्स, ट्रेडिशनल बालिनीज डांस परफॉर्मेंसेस एंड विलेज टूर्स इंक्लूडेड होते हैं और इसका कॉस्ट आपको 2,000 से 4,000 पर टूर पड़ेगा. नाउ इफ यू नीड टू रिलैक्स, देन ट्रीट योरसेल्फ विद अ स्पा एंड वेलनेस एक्सपीरियंस विद ट्रेडिशनल बालिनीज मसाजेस, yoga retreats and holistic healing. Massages here start from around 1,000 per hour. And trust me, after this, you will leave feeling completely refreshed. And then of course, there is shopping. Ubud Art Market, Seminyak Square और local craft markets यहाँ के best shopping spots हैं. You can pick up handicrafts, silver jewelry and Balinese art. Perfect souvenirs to remember your trip. And now, the part that we all love, which is the food. और बाली में आपको बहुत वैरायटी मिलेगी. Do try the local dishes like nasi goreng, satay, babi guling, and the bebek bitutu. Also, if you're a vegetarian or craving some Indian food, the Ubud, Seminyak, and Kuta have plenty of options available. Do check out the popular Indian restaurants like Queen's Tandoor in Seminyak or Ganesha Ek Sanskriti in Ubud for some desi flavors. And if you are on a budget, then definitely hit up the local Varooms here. यहाँ के लोकल ईटरीज जहाँ आपको डिलिशियस मील्स बहुत ही पॉकेट फ्रेंडली प्राइसेस पे इजीली अवेलेबल हैं और यहाँ पे मी गोरैंग और मर्तबाक जरूर ट्राई करें. ट्रस्ट मी, योर टेस्ट बड्स विल थैंक यू. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट गेटिंग अराउंड इन बाली. यहाँ आपको काफी ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे. फर्स्टली, टैक्सीज आर वाइडली अवेलेबल, लेकिन ये थोड़े प्राइसी हो सकते हैं. So always insist on using the meter. And to explore Bali in a more adventurous way, you can also rent a scooter. It's the most popular option and costs you around 500 per day. And if you prefer comfort, आप day trips के लिए private driver भी hire कर सकते हैं, जो आपको 2,500 से 3,000 per day charge करेंगे. This way, you'll have the flexibility to explore at your own pace. And last, for shorter distances, you can hop on a Bimo, a local minivan here that are cheap but might not be the most comfortable option. अब कुछ important tips जो आपको बाली ट्रिप में हेल्प करेंगे. वैसे तो बाली बहुत सेफ है, लेकिन crowded areas में छोटी मोटी चोरी से थोड़ा बच के रहें. And second, bargaining is a must in markets here. except in some fixed price stores. So don't forget to put on your best bargaining face. Also, do remember to wear modest clothing while visiting the temples. And don't worry, sarongs are often provided at the entrances. And last, don't forget to pack some insect repellent and always drink bottled water to avoid any stomach issues. Now let me give you a quick heads up on some additional fees. कुछ hotels आपसे tourist या green tax charge कर सकते हैं जो around 100 rupees per night होता है. Then in certain areas like West Bali National Park or while visiting islands like Nusa Penida, एक national park fees apply होती है. And finally, be prepared to be approached by a lot of vendors on popular beaches. However, एक polite सा no thank you usually does the trick. तो ये था हमारा ultimate travel guide to Bali. And I hope you have already started packing. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and comment. And do hit the subscribe button. And hey, if you are planning your trip to Bali, check out Travel Eva for best travel deals and personalized itineraries. Until next time, happy travels!